Hello guys, if you have an Hisense Smart TV and you are having trouble with your remote control, this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you how to reset your Hisense Smart TV remote control. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to remove the batteries from the remote control and set it aside. The next thing you need to do is to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. After that, then release the power button. Then you reinsert the battery back to the remote control. After you've done that, now pair the remote control with your TV again and everything will work fine.